What's up guys, it's me Geek. So I bought the JVC flat headphone, also known as HA-S160 for $15 US. Here's my unboxing and first look of it. Jump to the unboxing table. Yeah, for 15 bucks only I bought for 15 bucks. Jump to the table.
I gave my hand for you to hold.
So here it is, JVC flat headphone HA-S160. It's a flat foldable style headphone. As you can see, it have a frequency from 12 to 24,000 Hz. It have a impedance of 32 ohms. It's only 66 gram. So now let me open it with my Swiss scissor. Yeah, safety is number one priority as always. Okay, let me open it. I was looking for light man over the ear headphones. Sometimes I play games like Nintendo Switch. I was looking for something red, a little bit comfortable on my ear. Okay, this is not the frustration free packaging. Opening this kind of packaging really sometimes seems hard, to be honest with you. Okay, we need to battle it. We need to battle the all the way till end. What else we can say? Okay, come on. You can buy this headphone from the link below. Are you a big fan of JVC? Personally, I like JVC, Panasonic and Sony headphone the most, and Philips. These four companies are my favorite: Panasonic, JVC, Sony and Philips. Again, you need to look and then hunt for the headphone. I buy a lot of headphone. You can click the playlist to watch a lot of unboxing and review, which can give you a better understanding of the headphone. Okay, here we go. Finally we got it, and now let me take it out. Okay, let me throw this one away. Okay, look at it. This is a really very small. Let me compare it with something big. Something like this. You see the size of it. Literally see the size of it. It's really very very small. When I'm telling you something is small, then literally it's small. It's a little bit plastic feel, but at the end of the day, I like the foldable, which I can put in my Nintendo Switch messenger bag. Now let me put on my head and tell you the sound quality of it. Jump back to me. Let me show you a little bit more. Yeah, now jump back to me. So here are the JVC flat headphone. Let me put on my ear. Yeah, I put on my ear, and then I'm going to listen the song called Havana Unana. Havana, you see, and then going to give you my opinion, and let's see. The first thing is that it's very comfortable, very light. It's just like that. It's not on my ear even. Havana Unana. Havana Unana. My half heart is in Havana. For like 15 bucks. I'm amazed. Just buy this one. Buy. This is a must buy. Buy. This is a must buy. The bass is good. The bass is sweet. Not that much. I do not like Sony bass like bum 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 bum. I don't like. This is good bass. I like it. It was me, Jimmy. Subscribe and buy. This is a must buy.